Hi there, Monica Chase here at the Niagara Falls Convention Center, and today we'll be showcasing our meeting rooms and all the features that you'll experience here at NFCC. So without further ado, let's get into it. On the second floor of our convention center, our 13 meeting rooms provide the perfect space for educational breakout sessions, workshops, executive offices, and great networking opportunities. On the north side of our building, you'll find meeting rooms 201 to 208, which provide an abundance of natural light featuring stunning views of the Niagara Falls cityscape. These 8 meeting rooms feature brand new 98-inch Samsung monitors, courtesy of our partners at Stage Vision, allowing you to seamlessly display a presentation with ease for your delegates. Whether set up in rounds, classroom, or theater style, these rooms allow you to customize the space tailored to your event's every need. Plus, your delegates can step out into our pre-function spaces to enjoy a quick break and will never feel removed from the action, as these meeting rooms look upon the show floor of our exhibit hall. On the south side of our building, you'll find meeting rooms 221 to 225, all of which can be combined into however many meeting rooms you need. Also, these rooms are located through our Canadian Icons Art Gallery, just steps away from the rest of your event, along with featuring a generous amount of pre-function space for coffee breaks and small buffets. Plus, these rooms are flooded with natural light, looking upon a working vineyard, a reminder of the award-winning wines you will find throughout the Niagara region. And there you have it. That's how you can make the most out of our meeting rooms here at the Niagara Falls Convention Center. Tune in next time when we showcase our brand new sustainable menu. We'll see you then. Bye.